Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see vivid filter related problem comes in iPhone 16 family, iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro Max. How to use and where is available these features. We will see detailed demonstration in this video as a step-by-step process. So now let's start on mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all enter the setting, then general, then software update. You need to at least update 18.1. a stable version, beta version. Currently I'm using 18.2 developer beta version. Go back here and I just simply capture here one of the picture. Simply capture, open the same picture, and here if I tab here 3 lines, so here the adjustment and filter option is not showing, but apart from that different options are coming here. You can use this filter also like a rose and then accordingly change this option and then fulfill your expectation. If you're not able to find this feature, don't worry, you can fix this problem very easily. Enter the setting and you need to enter the camera option and then enter here format, and look at this here top of the screen. Currently I select here high efficiency, that's why the feature is not showing in my phone. If I select here most compatibility, so most compatibility capture the picture and any device you can very easily access those pictures. So I go back here, open the camera and then click the same location picture, open this picture and again 3 line and boom, filter and vivid filter is showing here. Apart from that all filters are coming here. Which filter you want to use, accordingly you decide and then say done and boom. But here previous photo I capture, I click here, so here the vivid option is not coming because of this one is not most compatibility, this one is a high efficiency picture, that's why the feature is not showing here. Apart from that, if you click here like here the PC cat, I download this picture from Google and here the vivid filter is active. Select here most compatibility and after that you can very easily use vivid filter in your phone, no matter which types of phone you have, 16 Plus, Pro or Pro Max. Currently I'm using this feature on my Pro Max mobile. If your problem is fixed related on vivid filter, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.